Virtual companions are digital AI agents that represent a new interaction model where engineers collaborate with the AI agents like Leo and Aurora. Instead of just accelerating commands, these companions help engineers reason through problems, generate design, analyze models, and coordinate engineering workflows. Each capability shown here represents an example of how a companion can assist across design, simulation, governance, and manufacturing. Let's take a look at a few examples of the way that Leo and Aurora can help us in our day-to-day workflow. Beyond just fixing issues, in this case, Leo helps provide model insights. We can ask him how many parts, which materials, what are constraints concentrated at, and this moves from navigating the normal feature tree to conversing with the design. In this case, we ask Leo how many vibration dampening mounts are in the assembly. As we go through, we're going to have Leo evaluate this and determine how much these mounts weigh, and then make a quick modification by asking Leo to open up these vibration mounts and change the material from steel to a natural rubber. In this case, Leo assists in the design process by evaluating and then acting and modifying specific components in the assembly, eliminating the need for the user to traverse through the tree and find the specific things that he's after. On top of that, Leo helps us understand what's wrong in the model. We've all been there where we make design changes and things don't end up the way that we want. We can ask Leo why this model is overdefined. In this case, Leo evaluates what we're looking at instead of just looking at a prompt with an issue and gives us an idea of what we can actually go fix. We can see that he recommends the root cause is cut extrude 1 is missing a dangling dimension or dangling reference. We can then go ahead and go find that and alter that geometry to rectify the issue. Now, in many cases, it'd be nice to just toss an idea off something. Let's see how Aurora helps us understand our model in context. Now, this goes further, helping you explore alternatives. Instead of manually searching or rebuilding ideas, we can ask Aurora questions and test options and evaluate the design direction directly in context. In this case, Aurora accelerates our exploration and even gives us design ideas of how we might supplement our original design. One of my favorite examples is leveraging Leo to create drawings automatically for me. Generative drawings were step 1. Now Leo allows us to define specifications before generation. Here we ask Leo to create drawings of all of these items and then give him some specific design standards we'd like him to follow as he creates these drawings. As Leo learns, he's able to dynamically create these different drawing views by evaluating what we've asked him to do. Once done, we'll go ahead and tell him to create these drawings, and in the background and leveraging the power of 3D Experience platform, he's auto-generated my specified assembly drawing. Another example of leveraging Leo is what we call assembly structure generation. We ask our virtual companion Leo to generate an assembly structure from a simple prompt. Get a solid starting point so we don't begin from ground zero. We can iterate with prompts to refine the structure until it matches our intent. We can even have him remove or replace components and adjust the hierarchy. When we're ready, he can generate it as a SOLIDWORKS assembly with all existing part files. What you see Leo do is he's generating this preview of this bill of material, and then in turn, we can have him start generating and leveraging our existing CAD geometry. As assemblies grow, performance matters. Sometimes it would be nice to have somebody help us evaluate why our performance is degrading. In this case, we ask Leo to evaluate the structure, identify bottlenecks, and explain why their performance is degrading in this large assembly. More importantly, he provides very clear recommendations. This is design intelligence, not just geometry manipulation. It removes the requirement of having to know what you're looking at and having the virtual companion guide you in the right direction. A very common task is generating 3D geometry off static images like PDFs or 2D references. Here we ask Leo to leverage an existing PDF document and convert that documentation into a structured parametric model in SOLIDWORKS X Design. This gives us a working foundation instead of manually reconstruction. It accelerates the reuse and reduces recreation effort across multiple items and multiple steps. Here we can see the output of the 3D geometry and even take this one step further, asking Leo to evaluate this using FEA and linear static study. You can talk to Leo, or you can type in the instructions into the prompt. Another example of creation is giving Leo a specification to then generate a CAD model. Here we ask him to start generating a model of a steel structure frame that is going to meet these requirements. Leo interprets the structural intent and then gets our model started for us inside SOLIDWORKS. It considers load cases and environmental condition. He then produces a structured, engineering-ready starting point. This is engineering reasoning applied to design. It's leveraging the mechanical and the physical world to give us one step closer to our final output. In this case, a water tank support frame.